Harleyfractic, I have a delivery for you. Merry Christmas.
What is it, honey?
Santa gave me a membership to the Oprah Book Club. I'm 5 years old and I can't read yet. Hey, are you looking for a last-minute gift for me? I have one. I will old Saint Nick here tonight. I want him with a big ribbon on his head. I want to tell him that he should go on the PCBWay, where you can get PCB starting at just $5. Then I want to look him straight in the eye. Then I want to tell him with a cheap lying, no good rotten floor flushing, long life reindeer running, candy cane eating, nickelback listening, dog kissing, thoughtless, hopeless, heartless, bug-eyed, stiff-legged, worm-headed, bag of elf cookies he really is. Hallelujah, holy smokes, where's the children's Tylenol? PCBWay.